Hello everybody, this is Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. And welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an intro for your YouTube video. Like I made it by myself here. As you guys see it in the beginning of this video, but I want to show it to you guys again to see how the intro looks like. So here we go. So yeah, that's how the intro looks like that I just made it by myself. So what you would need, what you would need to yeah, so what you would need to make your own intro for your YouTube video, all you need is your PC and your and I will recommend that you need to have your USB flash drive so that you will use it for your um YouTube stuff like editing or recording or whatever. And so yeah, let's actually close this out right now. And the website that you will need to go to is the panzoid.com/creations. And I will put that link down in the description below of this video. And I will also put the link down in the description below as well, that the same intro that I just made and used for this video. And I already know the link that I just used, so but before I show it to you guys that these website has a lot of other intros that you can choose from this website, and they're all free, so you can download them for free. And so yeah, and that's how the website is about. And let me just put the link on the website or the search link bar right here, the link that I just used, that I made. And here's the intro that I just made up by myself, like I just said it before already right now. And I just found this really cool intro because my favorite color is blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So once you find the intro that you wanted, and then when you click on it, it's gonna take you to you right here, and then you want to go ahead and open it in a clip maker, and just wait for the link to load, and it's gonna take to you right here, and you will see this layout here where you can see the preview of the intro you want. So to see the preview of this intro, you want to go ahead, click on this toggle render preview icon here, and then you want to press play to see the preview intro of this. So here we go. So that was the preview of the intro on how it looks like. And let's see, and if you actually go to this video length, this intro video length right here, you will see the text right here where you can put any names on it. So to change that, you want to go to the object icon right here, and you want to scroll all the way down until you see it says text name. So to change this, you want to rename it. You can rename it whatever you want. I'll put mine. So it's Little Mac. And then after you rename the text you wanted, you want to go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. And then also do the same thing here as well. So I'm gonna put my YouTube channel name, Little Mac. And then press enter. And this is how it's going to look like. So so let's actually play that again to see uh what the whole intro looks like with my YouTube channel name on it. So here we go. So that's how it's going to look like with the text name that changed. And and if you want to save that intro for your video, you want to go to the download icon right here, and then you want it to be at a good quality mode. And then after you choose that, you want to go ahead and start the video render. Now this could take a while, and and if this is going to take a while, I'll go ahead and pause the video momentarily, and the time left is still calculating the time, and and I don't know what's going on right now. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Like seriously, guys, like I don't know why my laptop just went to a black screen with my mouse cursor on it. But anyway, this only takes a few minutes, so I guess this will be a good time for me to pause the video momentarily right now until this render is done. So I'll be right back once this is done. So see you then. And or actually, I meant to say, I'll be right back, guys. So I'll be right back right now. All right, I'm back. So once it's done rendering, you want to go ahead and download it, and it's gonna start the download for you, and it's already downloaded really quickly. So so if you want to see that that video file that you made where your downloaded file located, you just let me just close this out. You want to go to the file explorer. Let's just I'm just gonna actually open a new file explorer, and you want to go to the download folder here, so that you will see where your stuff is being downloaded. So it's downloaded to the downloads folder here, and you want to convert the file to MP4. So to do that, you want to go ahead and open up a new tab. But before I'm going to before I'm going to show you guys how to convert it to MP4 file. Let me just I'm gonna actually close these tabs because I don't need them anymore. All right, so you after so you want to open up a new tab, and you want to search video converter to MP4, and you want to go to the very first link, and once you are on here, you want to click choose files, and you want to click the one that you just downloaded, and just wait, and it's going to upload it. And this seems going really fast, so I don't need to pause the video. So don't need to pause the video because it's uploading really fast right now. Alright, so once it's done uploading, you want to go ahead and start the conversion. And and you will also want to wait again for this process to be done. And it's already done really fast, so once it's done, you want to go ahead and download it, which it already do it by itself. and and yep, it is already downloaded, and let me just close that. And then you want to go to the file explorer again and go to the download folder again, and then you will see your your MP4 intro video. So we don't need this one. So I'm gonna actually delete that, and let's just drag it to the desktop here. So let me just go ahead and restore it down and minimize the website that I'm on, and let me just move it over here, and then so yeah, we're gonna move it down to the desktop here, move it to a desktop, and I'm trying to move this here and maximize it, and I'm actually gonna close this. And so yeah, this is and here's the intro video that I just made by myself. So let's actually play this video again to see how it looks like. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up again and just wait for it. So yeah, that's how it's going to look like when you make your own intro for your YouTube video for free. So I'm gonna close this out, and I'm gonna rename this to intro. So rename it to intro. And now what you will do next is you want to plug your USB flash drive into your PC, which I did it already, and open up your USB flash drive stuff on here, or USB flash drive so your USB flash drive stuff. And so yeah, and you want to make a folder called videos, or whatever you want to name it, or yeah, whatever you want to name your folder is. So yeah, after you just made video folders, you want to click on it, and you want to restore it down, and you want to drag it to your USB flash drive video folder, so that you will use your USB flash drive to make for your YouTube stuff, for your edits, or your recording stuff, or your upload YouTube stuff, whatever you do. So there you have it, guys. So that is how you make your own intro for your YouTube video. And let's actually play it again one more time to see how it looks like again. Here we go. And there you go. That's it. So that's how you make your own intro for your YouTube video. So I hope this video will help you out, and I'm also gonna put the two links down in the description below this video. One is going to be the link for the link for the what is that? Oh yeah, the link for the that where you can choose any intros you want. Like, it's going to be panzoid.com/creations, and the link number 2 will be the same intro that I made and used for this video. So I hope this video helps you out, and make sure you please give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And once again, I'm Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch Out and Super Smash Bros. And I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out, everybody.